How to add Gmail account on your PC. What's up everyone, this video is going to be about how you can easily add a Gmail account on your PC. For that, you first need to head over to any browser where you want to open up Gmail. So if you just click on Gmail, you're going to have to choose an account to log into it. So if you already have logged in previously, it will show up right here like this. And if you're new, you can click on use another account and simply enter your email here. So let me just enter my email address and then click on next. Once you have done that, you're going to have to enter your password. Make sure that you set your password correctly and enter it correctly. Once you have entered your password, click on this next option and you should be able to log into your account. And if you want to make it even faster to sign in, you can turn on the biometrics. I'm not going to do that right now. And if you have set up two-step verification, you need to verify that as well. And once that is done, your mail will be opened right here. And it's as easy as that. I hope this tutorial was helpful to you guys. I'll see you on the next video. Thanks for watching.